In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and here you will notice date and time smoothly marked. And now just reach network provided time, you can switch it off, and now you can set it up manually. So here, by tapping on date, you can reach the date that you would like to apply, then pick time to select the hour that you want to have, and this is it. Now you can also turn off network provided time zone by using the same switcher as it was with time provided by network, and then select time zone that you want to apply. At first, you need to reach the region that you want to apply, and then time zone if available. Then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either a local default by using this switcher, or you can switch between 24 or 12-hour format clock. And this is it. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic time and time zone, just mark those switchers and then they will be set up automatically. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.